Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today we have a wig from the What Lace collection. It was sent over to us by Sam's Beauty. The name of it is Zaila, and I have it in this flamboyage color, which is really pretty. You do get a dark root on this. Of course, you get plenty of parting area. It is HD lace. You get a couple combs in it. It's the regular cap construction. So I did go in and pluck this hairline some because it wasn't plucked enough. After I did that, then I went ahead and installed the wig. The way that I installed this wig is I went ahead and used some of my bed head and sprayed it down, and then I took down a couple baby hairs. This one here is pretty much a no fuss wig to put on. The problem I had with it really was the hair. I have this wig in two colors. I have it in the auburn color as well. The auburn color I ordered myself, and this color was sent to me from Sam's Beauty. So the auburn color, I installed it maybe a week or so ago, and I just really didn't, like the quality of the hair. So I never really finished the video. I am going to put inserts of that color in here. I did like the color on this one, so I wanted to go ahead on, obviously, and put the video out there and just show you guys a little bit of the color from the auburn wig. But the hair at the bottom started to get kind of ratty over time, so I didn't like that, and it only took like a day, maybe two, and it started to like just kind of tangle up. But this is the flamboyage color, and like I said, I think I like it better. It's really pretty. The curls do not last in this. Once you start combing it kind of came out. I feel like this wig here, I don't know, it just didn't go with the other wigs in this line. I feel like I did get the hairline nice and everything, but I felt like the hair quality itself just wasn't there for me. So you guys stay tuned for some pros and cons, and also to see the color on the auburn wig. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look for this one. And as you guys can see, I did have the wig in two colors. This color here, which is going to be the flamboyage blonde, was sent to me from Sam's Beauty. And this one here is really pretty. You guys know I love blondes, and I love the flamboyages where they just kind of peek through. This color is more of a sandy brown, and then you get that flamboyage color underneath. So I do like that. Now the other one I have is flamboyage auburn, and that one has more of the reds in it. It does have a couple streaks of the gold in it, but it does have the reds. I'm looking down, I was seeing if the wig was next to me. So I'm definitely going to insert the install to that one. But this one here, I think that I like it better. Now I will tell you guys, after I wore that wig for a while, it did get a little bit ratty at the ends and stuff sooner than I was expecting. So I was a little bit disappointed, in that or whatever. But the curls on this is really pretty. This wigs like this is just something you're gonna wear for an occasion, and then you're going to, put it up, because it's just, they're just, not going to be something you wear every day, in my personal opinion, because of the way that the hair is, and it's going to get tangled, and it's just not one that's going to last a long time if you wear every single day. I did have to spray water on this because of the flyaways. It's blonde. You guys know we get that hairline. I did go in and just pluck just a little bit, and then I cut into the hairline, because the last one I felt like the hairline was a little bit thick. This one I did go ahead on and I laid it down more than I did the last one. So yeah, I like it. I think that it's really cute. Not sure if it's a must-have. You guys let me know. You do get a lot of parting area with it, but besides a side part, maybe pulling up in a ponytail, I'm not sure how much of that we actually use or whatever. So I'm very appreciative of obviously melted hairline, because it gives you that same look. This one here, the colors is really pretty. Like I said, I love the curls. It's very glamorous. It's definitely birthday hair, going out date night with bae hair, something like that. Something dressy or whatever. I think is really pretty for that. So yeah, other than that, I like it. With the cap construction, everything is the same, how What Lace collection does. So yeah, I like it. I think she's really pretty. I just think I do like this color better than I do the auburn color. The auburn color, it just didn't hit it well with this for me. And then it started to tangle and get kind of ratty at the ends, and I just didn't like it and everything. So I'm sure I can revise that one or whatever and still wear it. It's just that once I wore it for a couple days, it just was like, not the business. So that is what it is. So thanks again to Sam's Beauty for sending a wig over. Thank y'all for catching the video today. Returning subscribers and YouTube babes, y'all know what I'm gonna say. Y'all the MVPs. Thank y'all for what? Pulling up on a sister. I really appreciate it. If you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beauty Remark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.